Happy 23rd of December and welcome to my advent tree for the scarf knit along using any yarn you want to use. Before we really start this video, I just want to give you some random creative input. Maybe you can use it last minute. I got 2 packages and a letter, and I just thought it was very cute. Look at this package. It's that little, and it was sent with the mail, and it just had enough space to put a stamp on it. I also got this package, which actually is a matchbox. I don't know what's inside. But it was sent in the mail too. They actually take small packages like that. Isn't that cool? So if you have a tiny thing to send, you can send it in small packages, and I think it's very special and cute. I also got a letter. And the letter is not in an envelope. It's just in a piece of music. It's much cooler than an envelope. So if you want to have a very personal letter sent, just take any paper. It could be from this year's calendar, or I don't know, any nice paper you find, and make an envelope from it and send it like that. It's very cool. I still haven't combined the scarf with the green one, but I will do it. But I had to wear it one last time, especially since I'm in the red mood now. It's getting all red now. I also wear those socks, which are from Sweden, wool socks, not hand knitted, but still they're very warm. I'm actually too hot in them. And I show you this because there are those moose on it here. And they are knit stitches, and I bought those socks because I thought I'm gonna replicate that moose on my own sock. Oh, and at this point I can also tell you my tights. Actually all my tights, I cut off the feet, and the stitches won't run if you cut off the feet. And all my tights last longer now because usually they get running stitches by the toe. And if you just cut off the feet and put on socks, they stay. It's awesome. It's much better. And I'm not in age anymore where I walk in high heels through the snow, and I have good shoes on in the winter, so it doesn't matter if I have to put socks on my feet. I can actually put 6 socks on my feet. I don't have to squeeze into a tiny little cute shoe. As for today's toy calendar, inside of the gate, actually Santa was standing there and his helper, Schmutzli. And as the car drove into the town, had a little speed there, it came to a halt, and out came all the people that were in that car, even the driver, which was the uncle that played tennis professionally. He just came from training and picked up the whole crew by the hotel. And, of course, the Christmas tree came out of that car too. And that Christmas tree grew and grew and grew all the way up into the sky as soon as it touched ground. It made quite a noise, and out of the houses came some of the village people wearing crazy hats and beautiful dresses and cute little snow suits. Even the elves were surprised how big that tree grew. This happened all so fast, the hiker barely managed to get in to see all of it. He took off his backpack and just watched. Then this guy came and said that he has a surprise for everybody. For today's tree, 23rd, I wanted to look back to the Grinch tree, which was the winter solstice. I wanted to reflect on Dr. Seuss's book, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I used this red and green Christmas sock yarn. This really beautiful speckled white and lemonish, greenish sock yarn. I love this yarn, it's so pretty. And I used this mohair mix, which is a little pinkish with slabs of cotton in there, I think. I thought it would warm up the mix of those 2 yarns and combine them a little, because that kind of dirty pink is a little in between the red and green and that bright green. So let's see what happens. Okay, I think this really looks Dr. Seussy. And it totally fits into this mix here. That would be another color combination thingy, just white, bright green, red, dark grayish, and then just repeat those trees. That would look really nice, I think, by itself. All right, if you see a lot of family members, embrace them, stay calm. If there is a difficult aunt or uncle, just smile and nod. Don't cause any fights. Don't storm out of the house. Smile and nod. If you have all great members, then enjoy. If you are sick, I hope you're getting better soon. If you're stressed, sit down and delegate. If you don't celebrate Christmas at all, you almost made it through it. The music will disappear, the Christmas tree will disappear soon, and life will go back to normal. Thank you so much.